In the town of Capernaum, there lived a Roman centurion, a man of authority, overseeing soldiers and commanding respect. Despite his position, he was known for his kindness and care, not only for his people, but also for his household. Among his servants was one he deeply valued, a man who had fallen gravely ill, paralyzed and in great suffering. Desperate for help, the centurion had heard of Jesus, a teacher and healer whose words carried power and whose touch brought miracles. Though he was a Gentile, an outsider to the Jewish faith, the centurion believed that Jesus could heal his servant. One day as Jesus entered Capernaum, the centurion came to him, his heart filled with both hope and reverence. Bowing slightly, he pleaded, "Lord, my servant is lying at home, suffering terribly." Jesus looked at him with compassion and said, "Shall I come and heal him?" The centurion, however, was a man who understood authority. He knew that Jesus' power was not limited by distance or physical presence. Humbly he replied, "Lord, I am not worthy to have you come under my roof, but just say the word and my servant will be healed. For I too am a man under authority, with soldiers under me. I say to one, 'Go,' and he goes, and to another, 'Come,' and he comes. My words are obeyed, and I know that your words carry far greater power." Hearing this, Jesus was astonished. Turning to those who followed him, he said, "Truly I tell you, I have not found such great faith, even in Israel." His words carried both awe and a lesson for all who listened. Faith is not confined by race, status, or tradition. It is a matter of the heart. Then Jesus said to the centurion, "Go, let it be done just as you believed it would." At that very moment, the servant was healed. The centurion's faith in Jesus' word brought a miraculous recovery. This story is a powerful reminder that faith knows no boundaries. It crosses cultures, breaks societal norms, and reaches directly to the heart of God. The centurion, a man of great earthly authority, recognized a far greater authority in Jesus, and his faith brought healing, not just to his servant, but to all who would hear his story and believe. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Bible Quest Chronicles. Let's explore more stories of faith, wisdom, and hope together.